picking the fruit. And I'll be honest with you folks, I love crows because they're weird-ass birds and they dress like Johnny Cash. They're cool to me, you know? Ain't worth nothing, but they're cool. So I saw this crow hanging around in the fruit trees one day, and it inspired me. And the next morning I got up and had a cup of coffee and wrote a song for my old friend in years. How about a handful of Johnny Cash? Great country songwriter named Harlan Howard said, country music ain't nothing but 3 chords and the truth. But I hate it when country music hits so close to home and hurts so bad. True story here. Dark Bird. On a cool September morning in the fall of 203, a crier from Jerusalem brought the news to me. But his words were sharp and dreaded, and they made a lonesome sound. They snapped my heart in two like a stick stepped on the ground. Well, I cried and cried and cried of the cutting of the pain, and I quietly said goodbye, so long in Jesus' name. Dark bird, watch you fly, dark bird to another sky. And I'll bet you were a sight when you hit that cloud of love and flew out the other side in the form of a dove. Dark bird, dark bird. 6 feet 1 and a box of steel and a pretty coat of black. Well, I watch the world, watch themselves, watch your final act. And I couldn't help but notice when we laid you in the earth, a train went by, headed north, for whatever it is worth. Your voice echoes in the wind, it rumbles through the trees. But after you've been everywhere, I guess it's time to leave. Dark bird, watch you fly, dark bird to another sky. And I'll bet you were a sight when you hit that cloud of love and flew out the other side in the form of a dove.